Before you begin any digging project, call 811 so utility companies can mark their lines on your property. Clear the area around the tree. You want to plan how your tree will fall before you do any cutting. Establish 2 routes of escape for yourself. Use a chainsaw to cut away lower branches, leaving an open area at the bottom of the trunk. Make your undercut, which is a 90-degree V-shaped notch into the side of the tree in the direction you want the tree to fall. It should only be 1/4 of the tree's diameter in depth. Then make your back cut, a few inches higher than the hinge part of your undercut on the opposite side of the trunk. Do not cut through your undercut. Move down an escape path as your tree falls. Use a chainsaw to trim down the stump close to the ground. Make a V-shaped notch in the trunk. Then position the wheel of the stump grinder above the stump. Turn it on. Lower the wheel until it touches the stump. Then move the wheel from side to side to slowly eat the stump. Once you've dug down about 4 inches, raise the wheel and move the machine forward. Repeat until finished.